Some people call us the odd couple. You got the Orthodox Jewish boy and you got the country lad. It's an unusual combination, but it just seems to work. We've sold in excess of $100 million worth of real estate working as a team together. We've represented in excess of 80 vendors now, and we have a clearance rate of just over 96%. Our goal is to get properties sold, and I think those facts show that we get properties sold.
We've worked as a team together for a while now. We've sold property in exclusive suburbs, whether it's Elstwick, whether it's Toorak, around town. The infamous Daily Planet is what we worked on together. It was quite an exciting campaign.
Yeah, we've sold properties from $500,000 right through to $20 million as a team, yep. And it works well. Today we're selling 6 one-bedroom apartments in Balaclava. Yep. Anticipated price is around $2.5 million. We've had in excess of 100 inquiries and built up a very solid database.
Yeah, there's been good inquiry throughout the campaign, lots of open for inspections, lots of people through, and hopefully it's a strong result. Very excited for it.
It's not surprising that a property such as this that we're offering you today attracts significant attention. When you consider, particularly in the sub $5 million range where there is excessive demand, to be able to buy a block of apartments, one title, oversized one-bedroom apartments, each with substantial balconies. Our vendor's here to sell today. I'm in your hands, away we go. At $1,600,000, 1.7 now, welcome to you at $1,700,000. Against you and you at $1,800,000. At $1.9 million, another 50 if you like now. At $2,410,000, haven't got another one of these to offer you later.